What is up, dudes? It's been raining for the last few days. It's been terrible. Been stuck inside. Today, we got a break in the storm, so I'm coming down to the skate park here. What's up, dude? Still a little wet out though, but even though it's wet, I can't stand being inside anymore. What is that? You got a little RC car? Sick. Yeah, it looks like it might be drying up soon though. Let's check out this dude's car.
How you doing, man?
I'm gonna see if I can skate around without eating shit. Was it pretty wet in there? It was wet in there?
It's dry, but there's kind of wood chips everywhere.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the storm and the wind blowing everywhere. For sure. I'm gonna check it out. There's a couple of wet spots, but not too bad. It dries up pretty quick here. Alright, the sun's coming out a little bit. Maybe it'll start drying up more. Let's get something else though. This thing's too wet.